But I'll show you one thing that I'm really pleased with is how I make my coffee. So I got a little filter here over my coffee mug, and I just pour the coffee like this, and it goes and drains through, and it makes just the best cup of coffee. Okay, I don't know what this is. Some sort of very big bird, predatory, but I don't think he can fly right now. I'm just talking to the video. Yeah, I think if we keep our distance, it might just keep walking away and then we can carry on. That's the bridge we got to take, Bird. Oh good, he's taking a left turn.